If you feel like you have been performing your manifestation techniques and nothing seems to be happening, then I would like to correct you because there is always a movement. I will explain it with a very simple analogy that will open your mind to new possibilities. Also, the fact that you are alive and watching this video proves that everything is working in your favor. Anyways, I hear people say, I did this or that, but nothing seems to be happening. They already assume that nothing will happen to them. Even if they try, they will fail, and they can't do it. It is just their assumption that they have to look for. As per scientific studies, your conscious mind is only aware of a very small fraction what is happening out there, while on the other hand, your subconscious mind knows it all. It contains everything and is responsible for your reality. You cannot access it in a conscious state. That's why meditation was introduced, to realize your true nature. You're sitting here watching this video, and you're only consciously aware of this video, your goals, your failures, and so on. Do you even know what I am doing right now while you are watching this video? 8 billion people, and your conscious mind is not even aware of what others are doing at this very moment. You are not even aware of the bacteria and germs that are living in your body, in the water that you drink, and on the phone you are holding. They are existing at this very moment doing their work, but are not visible to your naked eye. Does that mean they don't exist? They exist, but only become visible under a microscope. A drop of water placed under a microscope will tell you what the water contains. Also, don't worry, it is safe to drink water. There are also beneficial bacteria. Similar examples can be considered for radio waves. Right now, you are using the internet on your device that is being transmitted through radio waves. Do you see it? No, right. But it is doing its work, connecting you to people all around the world. You can't see it or hear it through your senses, but you can experience radio waves through a device. Similarly, the things you are manifesting are present, and everyone is playing their roles, doing the work to bring your desire to you. It is not like it is not happening. It's just that it doesn't seem to be happening. And it is like this because you are not using the tool to experience it. So, if you understand this, you will notice that things that are not visible to the senses can be experienced through some tools. In a similar way, your desired reality can only be experienced by your imagination first. You can experience it right now. It is accessible at every moment. Use the tool wisely every now and then. Use it in your favor when you are facing some doubts. It will appear once you experience it in your imagination. It is bound to happen. Don't spend your days in doubt and thinking about why it is not happening. Simply close your eyes and hear its confirmation. View it as already happening. Only you can prevent yourself from becoming the version of yourself that you desire. We have no idea consciously about how it will happen, when it will happen, or what is even going on behind the scenes. Once you live it fully in your imagination and experience it to be real and true, you just don't care about the when and how part, because you are now fully convinced that it is yours. That's why you read everywhere, to have faith in the things you desire. If you can't stay faithful to the version of yourself that you truly desire, then why are you even doing all this? So, stop complaining and finding reasons why it can't happen and make it happen. There is always a movement. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Happy manifesting.